guys, so today I am sharing a quick kids lunch idea with you. I had to do a voiceover because my kids are super loud in the background and there's like Fortnite going on and Roblox playing. Anyway, the lunch boxes that we use are an aluminum lunch box. They're by Lunchbots. I'll link them down in the description. And then here I'm just using some sandwich thins. I've switched to using these for the kids because then the sandwiches aren't super thick and over like bready, but I can also get away with using a healthier sandwich bread than just like a plain white. This is the Primal Kitchen avocado mayonnaise that I don't actually usually like avocado, but this is some really good mayonnaise. We got into using this when I did a challenge that was to eat things that were no sugar added. So this is a really good mayonnaise. I also have one kid who does not like mayonnaise, and I also have one kid who does not like cheese. So you'll see I'm making a couple different sandwiches here. And the plan is to give them a half a sandwich in their lunch. My kids are super light eaters. I know people will be like, where's the rest of the lunch? My kids would be starving. My kids just talk during lunch. And then when they get home, I make sure to have them something ready for a snack because I know they're gonna be starving. So I used way too much mustard here too. But I can get away with giving them these whole grain sandwich thins because it's less bread. They're not like super earthy. So I'm throwing some provolone cheese on here. My kids love provolone. And then you'll see that I forgot I put cheese on the entire sandwich of the one who doesn't like cheese. So I went ahead, folded those. I switched those and folded that one piece in half. Pulled out some salami. They love salami and ham, like an Italian trio kind of. So I always do salami and ham. I just fold these in quarters and layer them around. And then I think I grabbed some lettuce after this. So we do, not lettuce, we do like a spring mix, an organic spinach and arugula and baby kale mix for these, just to get a little bit of veggies. Oh, the power greens. So those are also really great in their smoothies when I do make smoothies in the morning for them. They blend really well. And they don't mind the spinach and the lettuce. They don't even think about it actually. I think we're to the point where they're not afraid of some green stuff. So then I'm just gonna cut these in half. I actually ate the other half of my daughter's, which is at the top of the screen. And then I managed to cut the boys' sandwich not in half with the cheese that I put on there. So later on I do peel the cheese off of my little guy's sandwich because he does not like cheese. Not on a sandwich, at least he doesn't. And then I grabbed some organic grapes. There will be, I don't know if the video was before this one or after this one, but I got these grapes through the Whole Foods and the Amazon Prime grocery delivery, which was awesome. Also these chips, also the bread. So I put some organic tortilla chips in there because the boys love those. That's the finished lunch. Grapes, tortilla chips, half a sandwich, and then I also threw in, these are the Simply Balanced, what are they? Sparkling waters, grape. I saw that they had a couple new flavors and we love them. Awesome. Thanks.